What's going on, guys? Rob from myppctraining.com. Today's video, I want to answer another question we get all the time, which is how to set up accelerated ad delivery on your AdWords campaigns. This is extremely simple, so this video is only going to be like 50 seconds. So if you're logged into your AdWords account, you're going to come over and you'll see we're in the campaigns tab. You can see all of our AdWords campaigns. So let's say we have our Philadelphia roofing campaign. We want to put accelerated ad delivery on this campaign. We're going to go into it. Come over to our campaign navigation bar, go to settings. Alright, and I believe it's under budget. Delivery method is shared, so I have to get rid of this first. Okay, so I was using a shared budget on this campaign for another video I did. So if I just remove that and just did like a regular ad budget or whatever, then you could see the accelerated stuff. So come under budget and delivery method, standard, accelerated. You would just simply choose accelerated. It gives you a little quick synopsis of what it is. Spending budget more quickly. This may cause your budget to run out early. You hit save and now you're running accelerated. So that's really it. Accelerated, if you don't know, if you haven't watched any of my other videos about this topic, standard basically runs your ads evenly throughout the day, throughout whatever your ad schedule is set up at. And it will show your ads evenly throughout that time period. Accelerated, you're telling Google, just show my ads as fast as possible, as much as possible. I don't care if I spend up the budget, throughout half the day and my budget's burned up and I can't get any more clicks or whatever. You're just telling them, show it fast. That's all it is. It's not rocket science. So if there's anything else, you guys have any questions, anything like that, drop them in the comments below this video. Besides that, make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out the links in the description. I put some really cool stuff in there for you guys, and I think you'll dig it.